How to free up iCloud space on iPhone running on iOS 26. Guys, this is very simple. Maybe your iCloud storage is going down and you want to get rid of some of this app. Then it's very simple. Tap on the settings icon. Now go ahead and tap on this logo. I mean your Apple logo. Tap on it. It comes up like this. Then go up a bit, tap on iCloud, then tap on it. Once tap on it, it comes out like this, guys. You have the total storage you have on your device here. I mean the remaining storage you have on your device here. Then tap on this button again. Once tap on that button, just wait a bit, guys, to get you information here. It brings out this based on the number of the apps and based on the total storage space they occupied. Now you can see that I have small or few apps here with little storage information. So for example, let's say you want to delete this. So I want to remove this one. Tap on it. Or tap on, just wait a few seconds. It comes out like this. You can see now to delete this, guys, go ahead and tap on this button. Delete data from iCloud. Tap on that, and it brings out this information. Then tap on it. So now you can see that can't undo this action. Then tap on delete permanently. So that's all, guys. You've been able to free up some space on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.